The British legal charity Reprieve claims guidelines sent to operatives in the MI5 and MI6 security services must be tested in court to see if they were legal, if they gave the green light to torture.
It just seems to be a sort of crescendo of information which suggests that there is something rotten in the state, basically, and that the intelligence services again and again seem to be mixed up in this, and we are bringing this litigation in the hope that we can hear from the court whether the advice being given by the government to its intelligence services is lawful or not.
The official document lodged with the courts lists 10 cases which Reprieve says points to British involvement in torture. Government ministers insist Britain's not involved, doesn't support it, and its actions have been legal. The British government has 2 weeks to respond to the action that's been raised. The papers will then go in front of a judge who'll decide if there's a case to be heard. If there is, a full legal hearing could follow by the end of April. British Foreign Minister David Miliband says the policy should remain secret even if the courts say it must be made public. One leading lawyer says it's essential to be open.
We're about making sure, firstly, that it's out in the public domain what happened and what the position was, and whether or not with the policy, but with a judicial view about whether the policy was unlawful being the most important thing. But also to create a climate where these kind of things don't happen again. Because the really important thing is the veil of secrecy is a wonderful place to hide under to do all kinds of horrible things.
British Prime Minister Gordon Brown told the House of Commons last year a new policy for secret agents would be made public. 11 months on, there's still no sign of it. Alan Fisher, Al Jazeera, London.